Okay, hi. I just wanted to make a few pictures as I assemble the Pyramid EL2 keyboard. This is the exemplar of what it's going to look like when it's finished. By the way, that is 4 identical octaves. Each row is 1 octave, and these are daisy chained together. And it's held in place with this adjustable stand, so you can change the angle so that it's more ergonomic. And it's raised on these standoffs and mounted on this little piece of wood that I just printed out the other night at the Makerspace. This is what it looks like. You can see there are 4 holes in the center where the mount is going to attach to the instrument. And there are 8 holes on the left and right side, which is where the PCBs are going to attach with the switches. So first thing we want to do is get the mount attached on there. So that goes on the bottom and is held in place with these 4 screws, like a number 6 or a number 8. Okay, now that those are attached, then we want to give them all a little quick tightening. Let's attach the standoffs. There are going to be 8 of these standoffs, all held on with number 4 screws. Voila. Okay, now we have all 8 standoffs attached in place. We can put the circuit boards on. In the background, you can see the knobs, which are attached to the same daisy chain. So I'm going to try to not have to disconnect it while I build this here. Oh yeah, this is one of the older designs. Rats. Okay, yeah, talk about the ups and downs of designing music instruments. I just realized that this is the first generation of these that I built that has kind of a flaw, which is that all the wires go here where the keyboard is supposed to mount. And I actually changed that to look like this, which is basically the same thing, except this one should fit on there, and the wires just kind of dangle on the outside. Although, now that I think about it, there's another way I can do this that's less wasteful. So what if I just have the right side of the standoffs populated over here? Those will mount in place on there. I can trim this board down just a little bit so it clears the wires. Then I can use some of these other holes in the circuit boards to keep them stable. For example, if I put a standoff there, there, and there, and there, that should be pretty stable. Anyway, that's an undoable change that would save these circuit boards. So I think I'm going to give that a shot. Okay, well that's a little bit ugly because it turns out I also made some other physical layout changes. So obviously the screw holes have a different distance between them over there. I want to do some of this hacking right now. Okay, now it's probably just small enough. Let's see what we can do about those drill holes. All right, we're going to try to use some dead reckoning here now that that's trimmed. Attach those again. Okay, so I did a little more surgery on it, and I was able to get the rows to line up just right. You can press all the keys just fine, and all the wiring is good, and the wiring clears the bass, and then the bass is able to be mounted. So I'm going to call this a win. It's pretty exciting. Thank you for watching.